Hello beautiful people, and once again welcome back. Today we will be learning how to make herbal soap using the cold process method. So just watch this video and see how to make herbal soap at home with the cold process method. Once again, welcome back to my page. My name is Fame Ebong. If you are here for the first time, do well by subscribing so that you'll be updated by our latest and newest videos that will be coming up within the week. So let's go straight into the production process. Over here is our caustic soda. We are making use of 126 grams, and this is our water. We are using 320 grams of water. So I'll go ahead and dissolve my caustic soda inside the water. Another name for this caustic soda is called lye. Most people know it as different things. Most people know it as caustic soda, some know it as lye. Once I am done dissolving it, I'm going to keep it aside for it to cool down. This is our palm kernel oil. I'm using 600 grams. I'm going to mix it with groundnut oil, which is also known as peanut oil. For the groundnut oil, I'm using 200 grams. I'll mix both oils together. Don't forget, I'm using palm kernel oil and I'm using groundnut oil. Most people know it as peanut oil. That is the groundnut oil. Most people call it peanut oil. The next thing I want to do is to add my herbs inside. That is my neem powder. I'm using 20 grams. This is my lemon powder. I'm also using 20 grams. And this is my moringa powder. I'm using 20 grams also. So you can see, adding my powders, all my herbs powder. We are making a herbal soap using the cold process method. I have added all my herbs directly into my oil. And what I want to do is I want to transfer the properties of the herbs into the oil. That is what I'm trying to do. I want the properties of the herbs to be transferred into the oil. So I'll use my stick blender to make sure I've actually mixed it well for most of the herbs property to be transferred into the oil. So I run online classes. If you want to join my online class, you can do well by checking the description of this video, where you can find the link to join the class. You simply click on that link to join us on WhatsApp. Or if you have issues reaching us through that link, you can chat me up on WhatsApp through this mobile number I have displayed here to be added to the training group. Just reach me on WhatsApp, chat me up on WhatsApp to be added directly if you have issues joining us through the link. You can see what I have done here. I am now filtering the oil. I want the particles of the herbs to remain in my filter. I don't want my soap to feel rough. So I want most of the particles of the herbs to remain in my filter while only the oil passes through. I don't want my soap to be rough. If you don't filter it, you'll have a very rough soap, and people don't like soap that feels rough. So if you want your soap to have this smooth feel after you have produced the soap and you want it to feel very smooth, make sure you filter it like this. So you can see the rough part remaining in the filter. Going to filter it again. I noticed some particles at the bottom. I'll filter it again. So the next thing I will be doing is to cover this soap with a nylon. You can use any cover you have. If you don't have a nylon, if you have anything that can cover the top of the soap, you simply cover it. Covering this soap usually prevents the formation of soda ash. After 24 hours, it is time to take the soap out of the mold because the soap is now hard. It's hard enough to be taken out of the mold. So I'm going to take it out of the mold, and the next thing we want to do is to cut this soap. You can see how beautiful this our soap looks like. This is a herbal soap. It's very nice for the skin. You will enjoy it, trust me. If you make it, just leave it for at least 5 days for it to cure. Once it has cured, you use it. Then this is our precision cutter. This goes for 22,000 naira. If you need this cutter, you can simply reach us on the mobile number on WhatsApp to purchase it. We deliver nationwide. We send it to Ghana, we send it to Cameroon. If you're in Cameroon, you can buy from us. If you're in Ghana, you can buy from us. We can now send to Cameroon and Ghana successfully. So if you're in these countries and you love our equipment, you can buy from us. Then we also distribute this cutter here nationwide. Wheresoever you are in Nigeria, we can send our equipment to you. If you need a soap stamp, if you need a soap mold, if you need a soap cutter, if you need a soap trimmer, we can send them to you. We distribute nationwide. So we want to test this our soap and see how it lathers. We want to see how it foams. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If you're watching this on Facebook, do well by following me. If you're watching this on TikTok, do well by following me. If you're watching it on YouTube, do well by subscribing. Don't forget to also hit the notification bell if you're watching it on YouTube, so you'll be notified by my newest and latest video. Please share this video. Drop your comments where you do not understand. Goodbye and have a lovely day.